Do you ever feel like your day is eaten up by repetitive tasks, leaving you no time for what really matters? Imagine automating 80% of those daily tasks using cutting-edge AI tools. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 powerful AI tools that will streamline your emails, task management, content creation, and scheduling. By the end of this video, you'll have a full toolkit to reclaim hours of your day and focus on what really counts. Stay with me until the end, and I'll reveal how these tools can transform your productivity in 2024. Automating emails. Let's start with one of the biggest time wasters, email management. How many hours have you spent digging through an endless stream of emails? Sorting through newsletters, spam, and follow-ups can easily take up hours of your day. That's where AI tools like SaneBox and Superhuman come in. SaneBox uses artificial intelligence to prioritize your inbox. It automatically sorts your incoming messages into folders based on their importance. Junk emails go to the Sane Later folder, while important ones stay right in your primary inbox. You'll also get reminders to follow up on emails you've forgotten about. Think about it, no more scrolling through hundreds of irrelevant emails, no more missed follow-ups, just a clean, organized inbox that only shows you what you need. But if speed is your priority, Superhuman is the tool for you. Superhuman takes email productivity to another level. It's designed to make sending, replying, and archiving emails lightning fast. With its AI-driven features, you can cut down your email response time by half. Plus, it's built with keyboard shortcuts that help you whiz through your inbox at record speed. So whether you're drowning in emails or just looking to cut down your response time, these AI tools have you covered. Automating task management. Next, let's talk about managing tasks. Organizing your day and managing projects can be overwhelming. But with the right AI tools, you can automate much of the manual work and streamline your workflow. Let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is an AI-powered task management platform designed to simplify even the most complex projects. You can use it to automate repetitive tasks like setting deadlines, assigning tasks to team members, and tracking progress. Imagine being able to plan your entire week or even month with just a few clicks. It's like having a personal assistant managing your tasks for you. For example, you can set up workflows that automatically trigger when specific tasks are completed. This means you no longer need to manually check in on your team members or follow up on assignments. ClickUp does it for you. Then there's Notion AI, a versatile tool that can organize both personal and professional projects. Notion AI helps you brainstorm ideas, summarize long notes, and even automate research tasks. Whether you're managing your personal to-do list or working on a group project, Notion AI makes it easier than ever to stay on top of everything. The best part? Notion AI adapts to your style of work. From taking notes to project planning, it's flexible enough to meet all your needs while automating the parts that take up too much time. With ClickUp and Notion AI, task management is no longer a burden but an opportunity to optimize and automate your entire workflow. Automating content creation. Now, let's move on to content creation, something that takes up a lot of time for entrepreneurs, creators, and business owners. Whether you're writing blog posts, marketing copy, or social media updates, creating content can feel like a never-ending task. But what if you could automate the process? Enter Jasper AI and Writesonic. These AI tools are revolutionizing the way content is created. Let's start with Jasper AI. Jasper is a robust AI writing assistant that helps you generate long-form content in minutes. Whether you need a 1,500-word blog post, an email sequence, or an ebook, Jasper can take your ideas and turn them into polished content. All you need to do is input a few prompts, and Jasper will do the rest. It even mimics different writing styles, so your content always fits your brand's tone. Think about how much time you can save by letting AI handle the first draft, giving you more time to edit and polish your content to perfection. On the other hand, if you need quick, short-form content for social media, Writesonic is your go-to tool. Writesonic can generate engaging Facebook posts, Instagram captions, and Twitter tweets in seconds. It even helps with headlines and email subject lines, ensuring that your messages are both catchy and effective. These tools don't just save time, They help you create better, more engaging content faster than ever before. Automating scheduling and meetings. Lastly, let's talk about scheduling. For most people, organizing meetings and managing time can feel like a full-time job. But AI can change that, too. Let's look at Calendly. Calendly is an AI-driven tool that simplifies the process of booking meetings. Instead of the constant back-and-forth emails trying to figure out a time that works for everyone, Calendly lets others see your availability and book a time slot instantly. You'll never have to worry about double booking or missing appointments again. Now, what if you need more control over your calendar? Clockwise is a smart calendar assistant that optimizes your day. Clockwise uses AI to automatically schedule meetings and block off focus time when you need it most. By analyzing your habits, it ensures you have uninterrupted blocks of time for deep work, without sacrificing important meetings. Imagine never having to worry about when to schedule meetings. AI handles it all for you. By incorporating these 4 AI tools into your daily routine, Sanebox or Superhuman for emails, ClickUp or Notion AI for task management, Jasper AI or Writesonic for content creation, and Calendly or Clockwise for scheduling, you can automate up to 80% of your daily work. Just think about what you could do with those extra hours every single day. All the links to these tools are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out and start automating your life today. And before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because in the next video, I'll be showing you how to use AI to generate passive income, even while you sleep. You won't want to miss it.